Next, we're gonna do another few paired measurements, just like we did with full bust. So keep that scrap yarn handy because we're gonna continue to use it. The next place you want your scrap yarn to go is at the small of your waist. So untie it. Use your hands to find the very smallest part of your waist, and that's where you want your scrap yarn to go next. So once you find it, tie that scrap yarn. It doesn't have to be super snug. Again, it's just a reference point so that we can take that length measurement from the back without help, just in case you're taking these measurements by yourself. So I found the small of my waist, and now I place the 0 of my tape measure at the base of my back neck on that knob, just as the other measurements that came before. Gonna pull down. I'm gonna first double check because I'm riding up a little bit, but I want to make sure that this is parallel to the floor before I read my measurement. And then I feel in the back where the tape measure hits the waist yarn, and voila, that's my back waist length. That's the small of my waist. If I was going to do waist shaping, I would want to make sure that I finished my final waist shaping at the top of my small of my waist. So we wouldn't want to have our waist shaping be the smallest below your waist. It's okay if it happens a little bit above your waist, but not below your waist.
Repeat the process that you did for your full bust in order to get your waist circumference. Just wrap your tape measure around your scrap yarn so that you can be consistent with where you took your waist length and where you're taking your waist circumference. Double check that your scrap yarn does remain at the small of your waist before taking this measurement.